Students, we are discussing statistics chapter number 13. In today's class, let us discuss what is median of the given class interval. Here, median is nothing but median is the middlemost score of the given distribution. Median is nothing but it is the middlemost score of the given distribution. It's called median. Median, how to calculate median for the group data? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by small f into h. So this is the formula to find median of the given class interval for the group data. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into h. Here L shows the lower limit of the median class, and n is nothing but the number of observations. N is nothing but the number of observations, it shows n, and CF is nothing but the cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, and f is nothing but the frequency of the median class. H is nothing but class size, or it is nothing but height of the class interval. Let us solve some of the problems based on this group data. Find median for the following data. Class interval. It is class interval and frequency is written in horizontal. Let us write this horizontal rows to columns. Class interval and frequency. Corresponding class interval and frequency is written. 0 to 26, 20 to 40 is 8, 40 to 60 is 10, 60 to 80 is 12, 80 to 100 is 6, 100 to 120 is 5, 120 to 140 is 3. Now let us add all these frequencies, then you will get n. So this is n. N is nothing but sum of the frequencies. It shows n. So add all these frequencies, you will get n. Then how to find cumulative frequency? Here write 6 as it is. First write the frequency of the first 0 to 20 class interval is 6. Write 6 as it is. 6 plus 8 is 14. Then 14 plus 10 is 24. Then 24 plus 12 is 36. Then 36 plus 6 is 42. Then 42 plus 5 is 47. 47 plus 3 is 50. So finally we have to get n. Here we got 50. So after calculating the cumulative frequency, then to find the median, first find n by 2. So what is n by 2? N is nothing but 50 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2 is nothing but 25th value. So we have to search this 25th value in cumulative frequency column. So we have to find the 25th value in cumulative frequency column. Find 25th in cumulative frequency column. Here 24 is there. Then we have to find the value of n by 2. So 25th value which comes under this class interval 60 to 80. We will find here up to 24 is there. Then we can find the 25th n by the value of 25th here in this cumulative frequency. So here after searching the value of n by 2, then mark the class interval. Here the class interval is 60 to 80. which is the class interval, and this 12 is called frequency, which is called frequency of the class. Here the median class is 60 to 80. So 60 to 80 is called median class. So because the median n by 2, the value of median n by 2 is 25th. The 25th value which falls in the class interval 60 to 80, and for this class interval the frequency is 12. Next here the lower limit L is equal to 60. This 60 is called the lower limit of the class interval L. Then the number of observations, total number of observations is equal to 50. Here 50 is the total observations. N is equal to 50. N by 2 is 25. Already we have calculated. Then cumulative frequency. So what is cumulative frequency? CF. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. So here the median class is nothing but 60 to 80. Here the frequency is 12. So how to find the cumulative frequency? The cumulative frequency is frequency of the class is nothing but preceding the median class. So preceding the median class is 40 to 60. Here the cumulative frequency is 24. Then the frequency is 12. Frequency of the median class is 12. Then height of the class interval or size of the class interval is 20. Now we will find the median for the following data. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by small f into H. Now substitute the values. L is equal to 60. Lower limit of the class interval is 60. N by 2 is nothing but 25. Cumulative frequency. So CF is nothing but the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class is 24 divided by the frequency is 12 into 20. 60 plus 25 minus 24 is 1 by, you can cancel. Here we can cancel. 25 minus 24 is 1. Then 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. So 1 by 3 into 5. It becomes 1 into 5 is 5 by 3. So divide 5 by 3, you will get 1.67. Then you add, you will get 61.67. So this is the median of the given class interval. Let us move to the next problem. The distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Here weights are given 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75. Here the number of students are given. Let us write the weight and number of students, weight as class interval and number of students as frequency. 40 to 45 2, 45 to 53, 50 to 55 8, 55 to 66, 60 to 65 6, 65 to 73, 70 to 75 2. Let us find the cumulative frequency. 2 as it is. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. Then 19 plus 6 is 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. Here add all this f, you will get n is equal to 30. Here you will get n is equal to 30. Here you will get n is equal to 30. Total frequency is 30. Now find out n by 2. N by 2 is 15. 30 by 2 is 15. So search the value of 15 in cumulative frequency column. So here up to 13 is there. Here up to 13 is there. So now the value of n by 2 which falls in the class interval 15 to 60. Now let us mark this class interval. So 55 to 60. Now let us mark in this class interval. Now here L is nothing but 55 is the L, the lower limit of the class interval, and small f is nothing but 6. F is equal to 6. Then cumulative frequency is nothing but 13. So L is equal to 15, cumulative frequency is nothing but 13, small f is equal to 6, and height of the class interval here 40 to 45, 45 to 650. Here 45 is repeating in the two class interval. Therefore, the height of the class interval is only 5, or size of the class interval is 5. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by small f into h. Lower limit is 55. Substitute the value of L, then n by 2. N by 2 is 15. Then cumulative frequency Cf is nothing but 13 divided by frequency is nothing but 6 into height is nothing but 5. Now 55. So this is 55. 55 plus 55 plus 15 minus 13 is 2 divided by 6, and we can cancel this. Write 55, this is 55, not 7, this is 55, so write 55 as it is, 55, then you simplify, you will get 10 by 6, so multiply 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 divided by 6, then you will get 1.67, 15 plus 1.67, which is 56.67. This is the median weight of all the students.